What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here from High Road Comics, and you're riding the HRC, and I'm about to show you my new comic book day pickups for Wednesday, May 1st, 2019.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
2019. So I'm trying something different out. Got a new computer, and just checking some stuff out. So I'm gonna try to put these in the right order. So I'll start off with Marvel. Savage Avengers #1. Haven't read it yet, but it looks pretty awesome. I got to hold the 1 in 100 Mobius variant with Elektra on the cover, and it looks better in person than it does online. And the comic shop had it at Ratio. Should have snagged it, but I gotta save money. Cosmic Ghost Rider Destroys Marvel History #3. Check out that Phoenix in the background. Looks pretty sweet with Ghost Rider. Speaking of which, okay, so this is Cosmic Ghost Rider, but if you didn't see, news dropped today that Hulu is starting. They got a couple of series coming out. I forgot, I think it was a Hellfire, and then also the Spirits of Vengeance or Ghost Rider. So I snagged this, you know, Midnight Suns. I got Ghost Rider 28 and 31, and I needed Spirits of Vengeance #1, so I figured I'd pick it up. It's still in the poly bag, so I don't know, should I do an unboxing? Haven't decided yet. Poly bag, poly. I don't know if there's a poster in here. Well, there it is. I'm gonna leave it in there. Maybe I'll get it graded. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah. Alright. Continuing on. Shannon McGuire. She actually tweeted back to me when I posted her video of Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider #1, and I just logged into Twitter when I changed my name to High Road Comics, and I saw she schooled me on how to pronounce her name. But it's actually a great read. The writing's pretty awesome, and you should check it out. Give it a chance. So there are too many but Spider-Man titles out right now. I'm thinking about dropping Superior Spider-Man, even though it's a monthly, and I could afford to keep it on my pull list, and as well as Miles Morales Spider-Man. I'm thinking about only grabbing some keys, like if there's a first experience or, you know, something major that happens, but catching it later in the back issue bins, because yeah, I'm saving money. This is my favorite read from Marvel for the week, Major X #3. I have some theories about it. I'm thinking about doing a review. I haven't done one of those in a while, but I've got some ideas and thoughts as to where I think this is going. I can't wait, because apparently this is parallel to what's going on in Uncanny X-Men and what's going to be happening in Hickman's X-Men runs this summer. So whatever is going on in here, it's major. Get it? Major X. That's enough of that. So check it out. The War of the Realms, Strike Force, the Dark Elf Realm. Oh, I forgot. I wanted to show you the back. I don't know why my LCS does this. They don't put backboards in there, so when I take off the Scotch tape, I end up creasing it, and that really pisses me off. So now what I've been doing when I open these is I cut the top carefully with scissors, and then I just put them in a resealable. Those are the way to go, because Scotch tape's starting to piss me off. But yes, Avengers Endgame. Check that movie out if you haven't done so already. But yeah, War of the Realms, Strike Force, Dark Elf Realm. I haven't read War of the Realms 3 yet, but I'm going to continue to support Marvel with their events as long as they're good. As long as they're good. So speaking of War of the Realms, here is the cover A of #3. I can't believe they milked me. They got me. Both of these issues, $4.99 each. But, you know, they're thick. I don't know if what this feels like, but the cardstock on War of the Realms, like the main title, it's actually pretty good. It's like what they put on those facsimiles. The paper is nice, and on the inside, the quality of the papers, I think it's worth that extra buck. Plus you get like double the pages, I think. Let's see what else I got. Yikes, this one's not in a bag and board. It's weird, like the ones that are on my pull list, like on my actual pull list, they don't put them in bags. You'd think those were the ones to be bagged. But yeah, The Amazing Spider-Man, issue number 20.hu, Hunted. I don't know how many more of these there are, but as long as it's good, I'm gonna check it out. I think it was in, yeah, that Major X I just read. I already saw the solicitation for Amazing Spider-Man number 25 or 24, and then it says that number 25 is going to be epic. So I'm hoping they don't reboot it at number 1 again, like after 25. I'm just hoping, you know, when they go into year 2 with Spencer, it continues. I'd like to see this number get back into the triple digits. I'm surprised it's in the double, but yeah, I mean, this one's not a legacy because it's a tie-in. But yeah, I'm talking about like the rest of Amazing Spider-Man. Uncanny X-Men number 17. Like, Rob Liefeld has renewed me. I know he's not writing Uncanny X-Men, but with Major X, he's making me want to go back and get the X-Force titles, the current ones. And from what I hear, Rosenberg is really killing it. I'm like 3 issues behind on Uncanny X-Men, but these are like my new favorite titles. At the beginning of this year, Avengers was like what I was reading, but I don't know. And then I'm a sucker supporting Rob Liefeld. Probably gonna tag him on Instagram, but I got Major X cover B, and this one I actually want to get signed. Surprised that the second printing was also $4.99, just like the first printing, but it's worth it. I'm digging Major X, so I want to get this one signed. There's a signing this Saturday at Facts Collectibles in Anaheim, but I don't think I'm gonna go. Gotta save money for San Diego Comic-Con. Hopefully I'll see him there. If not, I can wait. Alright, so I'm gonna switch over to DC. I just realized that I didn't get any independents, so hopefully I didn't miss on anything. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this 25 center Year of the Villain, just like they did with DC Nation last year. 25 cents. I didn't see any variants at the LCS, but I hope there's something great in here. You already got Bane on there, the Legion of Doom, the Batman Who Laughs, and something about Dark Secret of Leviathan. That's actually something that excites me. Alright. Batman number 70, cover A. I like that one a lot better. Just realized that I didn't get the Batman Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 3 IDW, so I'll probably grab that this weekend. Justice League number 23, no backboard, but I wanted to show you Pokemon Detective Pikachu. Can't wait to watch that this weekend. Looking forward to it. So, yeah. And then this is my DC read of the week, even though it's the only one that I read, but this is freaking amazing. Okay, so this is the Yasmin Putri cover C variant, and if you don't know, that is an homage to It. Get it? And this cover is badass, but the story is actually really damn good. And I'm probably gonna do a review on this one. But in a nutshell, you know, it's like the aftermath of the Justice League versus Darkseid, and then it just goes crazy, like Walking Dead, eat your heart out. So Deceased, it's only 6 issues. Highly recommend you grab that. If you don't collect floppies or anything like that, check that one out. It's a good read. That is a really good read. So yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you at the next stop.